Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Transformers Internals. Deconstructing the Self-Attention Mechanism. Hello developers and AI enthusiasts. I'm Chaitanya, and in this series, we're demystifying AI. Today, we're diving into the Transformer architecture, the brain behind ChatGPT and other amazing AI. Ever wondered how these AIs understand long, complex sentences, or translate languages flawlessly? It's all thanks to a clever idea called self-attention. Forget the hype. We'll break down the core mechanism that makes it all work, step by step, for absolute beginners. Before self-attention, let's talk attention. When you read a book or listen to someone, you don't give equal importance to every single word. Your brain pays attention to the most crucial words to understand the meaning. For example, in The Bank of the River, your brain focuses on river to know which kind of bank it is. In AI, attention is a mechanism that allows the model to dynamically focus on the most relevant parts of its input data when processing another part. Now, add the self part. Self-attention means the attention mechanism is applied within the same sequence. Imagine a sentence. The animal didn't cross the street because it was too tired. What does it refer to? A human knows it's the animal. Self-attention is how an AI figures this out. Each word in the sentence essentially talks to asterisk every other word in that same sentence. Asking, how relevant are you to my meaning right now? It helps each word understand its own context better by looking at all its companions. This is the heart of self-attention, and it's simpler than it sounds. Think of it like a library. 1. Query. Q. You have a specific question or search term, e.g., books about ancient Rome. 2. Key. K. Every book in the library has a label or index. Its title. Keywords. That tells you what it's about. 3. Value. V. If a book's key matches your query, the value is the actual information inside that book you want to retrieve. In self-attention, every word in your sentence acts as a query, a key, and a value simultaneously. Each word asks a question. Q offers itself as an answer. K and carries its meaning. V. Let's make this concrete. For each word, let's call it our current word. We generate its query, Q, vector. Then, for every other word, including itself, in the sentence, we generate a key, K, vector. We then compare our current word's query, Q, against all the other words' keys, K. How do we compare? We use a mathematical operation called a dot product. Think of it like multiplying corresponding numbers in two lists and summing them up. A higher dot product means the query and key are more similar or relevant to each other. This gives us raw attention scores. Those raw scores from step 1 can be any number. We need to turn them into meaningful weights, like percentages that sum up to 100%. We do this using a function called softmax. Softmax ensures that words that are very relevant get a high weight, close to 1, and less relevant ones get a low weight, close to 0. Now, for our current word, we take asterisk all the value, V, vectors asterisk from the sentence. We then multiply each value vector by its corresponding softmax weight. Finally, we sum up all these weighted value vectors. This weighted sum becomes the new, context-rich representation for our current word. What's the amazing outcome of these steps? For every word that entered the self-attention mechanism, we now have a asterisk new vector representation. This new vector isn't just the word's original meaning. It's a context-aware meaning, enriched by the relevant parts of the entire sentence. Remember, the animal didn't cross the street because it was too tired. After self-attention, the new representation for it will heavily incorporate information from animal and tired, giving the AI a clear understanding of what it refers to. This fundamental ability to grasp context is why transformers are so powerful in language understanding and generation. As a developer, understanding self-attention is crucial for several reasons. 1. Parallelism. Unlike older models that processed words one by one, self-attention allows all words to be processed simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient on modern hardware like GPUs. 2. Long-range dependencies. It effectively connects words even if they are far apart in a sentence, solving a major challenge for previous AI models. 3. Foundation of LLMs. This mechanism is the bedrock of large language models, LLMs, like those powering ChatGPT. Knowing how it works helps you fine-tune existing models, design better prompts, debug issues, and even innovate new architectures. It's the core tool for building the next generation of intelligent applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.